The Supreme Court has refused to back down on stray dogs. In a major and controversial ruling on Tuesday, the Apex Court declined to modify its November 2025 order directing the removal of stray dogs from public places, including hospitals, schools, bus stands, and railway stations. And in a strong message to states, the court said it could not remain quote-unquote blind to harsh realities. A three-judge bench of Justices Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta, and N.V. Anjaria dismissed multiple applications filed by animal rights groups seeking a recall of the directions. The bench pointed to repeated attacks reported across the country. Young children mauled, elderly citizens attacked, even international tourists bitten. The court noted that dog attacks are no longer limited to streets and isolated areas. Incidents have been reported at airports, on highways, and inside residential neighborhoods. Invoking Article 21, the right to life, the court said every citizen has the right to move freely without fear of physical attack or life-threatening dog bites. The bench also criticized state governments for failing to implement animal birth control rules effectively. According to the court, enforcement has remained inconsistent and inadequate for years. The court has now issued a fresh set of directions. Every district must have at least one fully functional animal birth control center. State must expand capacity in densely populated areas. Anti-rabies vaccines and immunoglobulins must be adequately stocked. Importantly, authorities are now permitted to euthanize dogs that are rabid, incurably ill, or demonstrably aggressive wherever legally permissible. The court also protected officials implementing these directions from FIRs or criminal complaints. In another major step, high courts across the country have been directed to register suo motu cases and monitor compliance within their jurisdictions. The Supreme Court also widened the issue beyond stray dogs. The National Highways Authority of India, or NHAI, has been asked to remove stray cattle from national highways and create a coordinated, time-bound response mechanism. The issue gained national attention in 2025 after a series of fatal stray dog attacks involving children. An earlier Supreme Court directive in August 2025 ordering stray dogs to be confined in shelters had triggered protests from sections of the public and animal rights groups. The matter was later referred to the present three-judge bench, which expanded the scope of the case to cover the entire country. Judgment had been reserved on 29th of January this year, and on Tuesday, the Supreme Court made its position clear. Officials who failed to implement the court's directions could now face contempt proceedings and disciplinary action. Follow Business Standard for more stories.